50,000. Do I hear 60? 60,000 once, 60,000 twice.
Sold!
Why most auction deals fail after you win the bid. Most auction deals don't fail before the auction. They fail after the investor wins the bid. And that's the most dangerous part, because once you win, there's no undo button. I've seen this happen over and over again. An investor walks away feeling like they just scored a deal, only to realize weeks later they actually bought a problem. Here's why most auction deals fall apart after the win. The first mistake is getting caught in a bidding war. At auction, emotions run high. Once 2 or 3 investors start bidding against each other, logic disappears. Instead of sticking to their numbers, the investor starts thinking, just one more bid. I can make it work. I don't want to lose this deal. That's how profits disappear before the deal even closes. Smart investors don't win auctions. They win on paper before auction day. The second mistake is using the wrong ARV. This is huge. Most investors overestimate the after repair value because they trust Zillow too much, use bad comparable sales, or ignore condition differences. If your ARV is wrong, your max bid is wrong. And if your max bid is wrong, the deal is already dead, even if everything else goes perfectly. At auction, you don't make money by buying cheap. You make money by buying with margin. The third mistake is no real due diligence on title and liens. This one destroys deals quietly. Some investors assume if it's at auction, the title must be clean. That's dangerous. Auction properties can come with surviving liens, HOA balances, municipal fines, IRS, or judgment issues. If you don't know what survives the foreclosure, you don't know what you're actually buying, and those surprises show up after you win. Another reason deals fail is underestimating time and holding costs. Investors think, I'll just fix it fast, but reality looks like delays getting possession, occupied properties, evictions taking longer than expected, repairs costing more than planned. Every extra month eats into your profit. Auction deals aren't just about price. They're about how long your money is tied up. Here's the hard truth most people don't talk about. Winning the auction is the easy part. The real work happens before you ever raise your hand. That's why experienced investors set their max bid in advance, stick to conservative ARVs, research title and liens ahead of time, build margin for surprises, and are perfectly fine walking away. If your deal only works in a perfect scenario, it wasn't a good deal to begin with. If you want real-world auction investing without hype, real numbers, real mistakes, and real process, subscribe to the channel. I break down deals the way experienced investors actually do, so you don't learn these lessons the expensive way.